Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KVPY 2020 SX stream, class 12. In this video, I have taken question from part 2 of the paper. Let's have a look at the problem, the very second question of part 2. Cubic polynomial is there. Let small a letters a, b, c be non-zero real roots of the equation x cube plus x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficients are also mentioned in terms of ABC. Roots are also ABC. Here the roots are also ABC. There are infinite. Option A says there are infinitely many such triplets ABC. There are exactly one such triplet. Exactly two such triplets. There are exactly three such triplets. So it looks very interesting, this question, and question is actually is a very good question. So let's see how can we solve it in easier manner. Here the main idea to solve this question is using the idea of relation between roots and coefficients, right? Here the roots given are ABC. So if I write the sum of roots a plus b plus c, it is minus b by a, that is minus a. So from here I can write b plus c to be minus 2a. Consider to be equation relation 1. Considering sum of products of roots taken to ab plus bc plus ca, it is b minus c by a, right? So b and consider it to be 2, and the product of roots, all the roots, that is minus d by minus c. And as a, b, c are non-zero real numbers, this implies b into a into b would be minus 1, isn't it? So, and from here we can find b to be, we can say b that minus 1, b is equal to minus 1 by a, right? So basically there are three relations and three quantities to be required to be found, a, b, c. So idea is to eliminate two out of them, either a, b or b, c or c a. So I am going to eliminate b and c here. I am going to represent b and c in terms of a finally. So from b is minus 1 by a obviously, because c was not 0. So and then c would be minus 2a minus b, that is plus 1 by a. So this is value of c. If I use 2 from 2, I'll get a, that is a, b, that is ab is minus 1 now. So okay, I'm writing it again, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to b. So ab is minus 1, b, if you take, okay, b is minus 1 by a, c is minus 2a plus 1 by a, again c is minus 2a plus 1 by a is a, and b is minus 1 by a. So if I open this, minus 1 minus minus plus 2 minus 1 by a square, then minus 2a square plus 1 is equal to minus 1 by a. So minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. Coming to the next page, 2 minus 1 by a square minus 2a square is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by a square minus 2a square is equal to minus 1 by a, right? So if you multiply it by throughout by a square, you will get 2a square minus 1 minus 2a raised power 4 is equal to minus a. Collecting the term in the one side, 2 raised power 4 minus 2a square minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly, if you take common 2a raised power 2a square from here, you get a square minus 1 here, and minus common, then a minus 1 here. A is equal to 1 is one of the roots. Sum of coefficient was also 0. So a minus 1 into 2a square into a plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So from here either a is equal to 1 or 2a cube plus 2a square minus 1 equal to 0, right? So corresponding to this, b would be minus 1 by, that is minus 1, and c would be c was, I think, minus 2a plus 1 by a is 1, so it is minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. So this is one of the, a is 1, so one of the possible triplets, a1 b minus 1 c minus 1, right? So you can see x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. So if you take x square common, x square minus 1, so roots will again come as the values of a, b, c, that 1 minus 1 and minus 1, isn't it? So x square, so in that case you can verify it, no? X cube plus x square minus x minus 1. So verifying it just, so it is, obviously you'll get the 2, you take x square common now, so x plus 1 minus 1, so x square minus 1 x plus 1, so the values of x coming out to be minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 as ABC, right? So this is just the verification. It is not required, however. I mean, the idea is to get the number of values of a total, number of real values of a, non-zero real values of a. So as b is minus 1 by a, corresponding to every value of a, there will be unique value of b, corresponding to every value of a, because there will be unique value of c. So the number of such triplets is actually the number of values of a. So we got value of a as 1. From the second relation, if you assume it to be f of a, from the idea of cubic polynomials, if I find f dash a, 6a square plus 4a, and if I putting it to 0, a is 0 or minus 2 by 3. If you check f0, it is negative, minus 1 is negative, but if you check f of minus 2 by 3 now, so you'll see it would be again minus 2 by 3 is a cube, is a very small quantity, so minus 8 by 27, minus 4 by 27, and that is minus 8 by 9, so is again obviously minus 24, is a negative quantity, is a big negative quantity. Minus 1 is there. Okay, 2a square, it will be minus a cube 8 and 16 by 27 plus a 2a square, no? So 8 by 9, I think, 4 into 2, 9, minus 1. So it is again, I think, if you take 24, negative quantity. So obviously f0 into f minus 2 by 3 is positive. So if we get it to be negative, we'll say that we would have, if it would have been negative, then we say that the number of real roots of this cubic is a cubic polynomial, 3 real and distinct roots. Now for condition for for a cubic to have 3 real and distinct roots is at the roots of its first derivative, the signs of the function must be opposite, but here the signs are both negative, both same. So f alpha into f beta must be negative, where alpha beta are roots of f dash. So from the idea of cubic polynomials, it is very clear that there is only, as it is a cubic polynomial, there must be at least one real root. So here exactly one real value of a is possible. So total number of values of a possible is 2 values of a correspondingly 2 triplets. I mean two such triplets. So the final answer to this question must be exactly two such triplets. Option C, you can see. So I was just explaining it in a better manner, just verifying the solution with a equal to 1, -1 and -1. So just getting familiar with the solution more. I hope you understood this solution, enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next question. Thank you.